Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to create a new profile. And while I'm at it, I'm going to show you how to use some of the ingest servers. Uh, Quite simply, go to profile. As you can see, I host quite a few different channels at my home. And part of that is my wife, some other people, my own channel, and a fitness channel. And they're hosted on YouTube, Twitch, and a few other places. So what I like to do is, let's say I've got a particular, for instance, the Weird Dad profile. I want to now create a new Weird Dad profile where I might want to tweak my settings. So what I'll do is I'll have one that's Weird Dad that's directly linked to Twitch and another one that uses my ingest server. So what I would do here, hit ingest. Let's use the auto config tool, optimize for streaming. I'm happy with those settings. As you can see, you change this. I'm going to actually change this to custom. I'm going to change my custom server to the server on Hyper-Relay. What I'm then also going to do is get my stream key. To get your stream key, go into your creator dashboard, go into your settings, go into stream. There's your primary stream key, copy, and we will paste it in there. Guys, don't ever share your stream key, even with people you know. And that's it. As you can see, we've changed the output, so it is scaled down to 720 essentially, much lower than what I do usually use, but it's a free ingest server, so it should actually be quite stable. We're going to have a look at it. There you can see some of my stats. It's all green, streaming at 122. There it is, guys. Streaming at a good resolution, pretty stable, good frame rate. I'm happy with it. Okay. Now, if you want to, let's stop streaming. Remember where we had the profile. Now I've got two profiles, one for my normal where they're directly linked to Twitch and one for my ingest server. That's it. Thanks, guys. We're dead out.